Hey everyone! Welcome to this straightforward guide on how to convert currency on PayPal. Whether you're sending money abroad, receiving payments from international sellers, or just managing your global finances, PayPal makes currency conversion pretty simple. But before we dive in, remember that PayPal uses its own exchange rates, which might include fees, so it's always smart to double-check for the best deals. First, start by logging into your PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, sign up quickly on the PayPal website, it's free and easy. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard and look for the Wallet section. This is where you'll see your available balances, including any foreign currencies you might have. Now, if you need to convert currency, the process usually happens during a transaction. Let's say you want to send money to someone in another country. Click on Send and Request at the top of the page. Enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or PayPal username, and then type in the amount you want to send. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the currency for the transaction. Choose the one you need, like euros if you're sending to Europe. PayPal will automatically show you the exchange rate and any associated fees right there. Take a moment to review this, as fees can vary based on your location and the currencies involved. If everything looks good, hit Continue, and follow the prompts to confirm the payment. Your PayPal account will handle the conversion instantly from your available balance. Once it's done, check your wallet to see the updated amounts. A quick tip: to minimize fees, consider using a linked bank account or credit card, and always compare PayPal's rates with current market rates using a currency converter app. That way, you can make smarter financial decisions. And there you have it. Converting currency on PayPal is just a few clicks away. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tips on online finance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.